If you're a home theater fanatic, you need to see this TV. It's not just big, it's absolutely gigantic. But is TCL's 115-inch beast actually worth its $25,000 price tag? Let's talk wow factor. This thing hits 9,000 nits of brightness. Translation: it'll light up your room even in broad daylight. The color? Pure HDR magic, covering 100% of BT 2020, so everything pops like a blockbuster. And with 16,148 local dimming zones, blacks are deep, contrast is killer, and details shine, way beyond what projectors can do. Gamers, you get 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 288 Hz with game accelerator, so no lag, just action. Plus, Bang & Olufsen sound means your ears are in for a treat. But here's the catch. 25 grand is serious cash. You'll need a giant wall, pro installation, and brace for a spike in your power bill. And while blooming is rare, it's not impossible. Final verdict? If you crave the ultimate home theater and money's no object, the TCL 115-inch RM9L is a jaw-dropper. For everyone else, maybe check out TCL's X11L or QM8L.